How to make a ROY G BIV costume. First, I found some stick-on beard and mustache combos on Amazon, and I was able to stick that right to my mask this year. Then I'm going to take a tag board cone that I created that will fit the top of my head. I have this plasticky tape that I use. It's the same stuff that they use to tape off the floors at gym class. And I decided to add that for the stripes for Roy's hat. This stuff is nice and stretchy and squishy, so you can get it to curve without giving any kind of wrinkles or bumps. The only color I don't have is indigo. Oh well. Hat's almost done. Let's think about his prism wand. I used a piece of mat board and 2 sheets of paper. I kind of sketched out the shape of the prism, and then I took it over to my guillotine style paper cutter to chop it. I'm going to use an X-Acto knife to create the little prism sections. We'll cut it out like a window pane. Let's see if it fits. Yep, looks good. Let's glue it in place. Little Elmer's glue, spread around with your finger, and we'll pop that right on the top. Now I need a stick, just a wooden dowel, paint it black, and I'll hot glue it to the back of my prism. Put it all together and there's what you get. Happy Halloween. What do you think? Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for visiting the art room.